40 Basque pro-independence socialist youth are being tried this week in yet another show trial in Madrid, accused of being members of SEGI years ago when the youth group was declared terrorist. SEGI was later disbanded. A new pro-independence socialist youth organization was created this year, ERNAI. The 40 youth denounced they were tortured while in police custody and that they were being tried for their political work campaigning for youth rights and national and social liberation. 6 people were arrested in Iruña, Pamplona by the Spanish police accused of displaying a massive Basque national flag in front of the local city hall at the very moment the worldwide renowned festival of San Fermin was about to kick off in July. The Basque flag has been prosecuted and forbidden for decades by the local unionist right wing. All this happened after last Sunday, 30th October, Basque pro-independence youth Luis Goñi had been arrested by the Spanish police. He was sentenced to 6 years in jail for his political work as a member of SEGI. He's been underground for the past 2 months. During this time, a popular campaign of support has been organized, and on Sunday he came up in public at a demonstration, and then hundreds of people formed a human wall to defend him and to denounce the sentence against him. But unfortunately, the Spanish artillery does have enough toxic ammunition to go beyond these injustices, and soon will return with another big group of Basque good of financing ETA using the Rico Taberna popular bars. Gora Euskal Gazteria.
Oceans painted red when the soldiers of fortune have a pirates. No questions asked, we fulfill our task. Tones all turn grey after sunset. See the man taking what you can, what is right, what is wrong.